with us. Whole lot of fun. Tim made some improvements to the track. With a lot of guys out here, it gets pretty interesting pretty quick. So hope you enjoy today's show. Thank you for coming out to watch. Make sure you comment. Let us know what you think. All right, as you can see, we're back out here at Tim's track. Got a couple more friends out here. This is Kyle coming through. Logan going over the tabletop back there in the back. There's Tim and Trip. They all took a couple of slow laps around here. I'm going to take some too. Tim made a bunch of other changes, so we're going to go through kind of slow and then check it out, see what it looks like. Took a spill already on the first little test lap. Probably got a little too fast. Woohoo! Almost did. Almost had it. Third time's a charm. Almost. I tell you what, the double, I still ain't brave enough to hit it again after I got nailed, but it looks way better. Oh yeah. The one over there, it's got a, I don't know, it looks better.
And I drug it about 4 times.
Yeah.
It gets real fine. After I wore the first, took that roller and packed it down. Man, it's real like smooth.
Yeah.
Out there.
I know I can do it. It's just one of them things. Once you hurt yourself, you be like, I don't know.
Yeah, I know. Well, I almost did it on the tabletop the other day. Well, you saw me.
Yeah.
I did about 7
Yeah, you come off this one and you're kind of sideways and you just got to go.
That was already. Only time I wrecked is I actually put it in neutral on that curve down the hill. So
Yeah. That feels way better. that double, are you on like your back seat pushing back, or are you just yanking up, or are you just hitting it? That little double off the rhythm.
Slow it. Like, I don't know.
I tell you what I did, and this is where I messed up. So I was preloading the front and letting it pull up. Well, I preloaded at the wrong time, and I skinned it. And so I'm trying. I want to hit it again, but at the same time, I don't know if I want to hit it again.
When I go through there, I kind of let the bike do what it wants.
Yeah.
And
Just hold on.
the momentum just pushes you over.
You hitting everything about wide open in a second, ain't you?
When I push myself.
Yeah. You can hear it when you go over them jumps. All you hear is dot, 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 dot. Mine ain't got no rev limiter. It just goes, ah! It's funny.
See how he's going through there?
Yeah.
Got the bike.
Yeah.
Do it long.
That's about what I look like. And then it did this.
Hold on with the knees.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you got to squeeze.
Yeah.
You told me that a long time ago. Hold on with the knees.
Whoa!
I would squeeze.
360. Yeah.
And wear my legs out.
Yeah.
The habit of kind of pressing your legs up again.
Yeah. I mean, everybody gets tired and then it just. Tired, boy. I did it. I made it. I made it. I waited till y'all weren't looking.
Me too.
I was going through and I missed the curve and I just went off it.
I did a little better that time.
One fast lap. Let's see what happens. Hey, look, I went off that curve. I said, what in the world? Oh, come on. Yeah. Look. Yeah, I'm gonna go check. Look, I was like, dang, something don't feel right. I was holding on good. That's crazy. Oh. Hey, Colby. 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 Well, you can see I lost this bolt. I gotta try to find it real quick. I lost my foot peg bolt. I came through here. You lost your whole foot peg? The bolt. Right here, I guess. All of a sudden this turned and it was doing this and I was like, oh.
Man, that thing gonna be impossible to find.
Hey guys, thank y'all for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the content. We had a lot of fun today out here at Tim's track. He's always changing the track up and challenging us, and we're slowly but surely getting better and better. We're having fun doing it, and we're glad that y'all are joining us along for the way. Just remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for supporting the channel. Peace.